Hello, I am Senith, one of the technical marketing engineers at Infoblox. I am welcoming you to a presentation on Infoblox integration with Teams. This Infoblox to Microsoft Teams integration is available through the Infoblox ecosystem. Within this ecosystem, customers can purchase and deploy integrations as needed in their environment. The Infoblox ecosystem provides a comprehensive set of integrations that unify your networking and security landscape. Let's go through the key benefits of our integration. Centralized communication and collaboration, accelerated response, reduced alert fatigue, and maximized ROI. Now let's see how this integration works through a live demo. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of configuring the SOC Insights integration with Teams. By the end of this demo, you will see how we can receive SOC notifications directly to our Teams channels. First, we will need to set up the destination and its traffic flow. This involves configuring the application script as the destination for Teams integration. There are two key pieces of information we need: the CSP API key from Blox1, the Teams webhook URL, which we can generate from our Teams application. Once the destination is saved, the next step is to set up the traffic flow. Here is how to do it. Create the traffic flow. Give it a unique name. Select Blox1 Cloud as the log source configuration. Choose internal notifications as the source configuration, since SOC Insights logs are included in internal notifications. Configure the destination. Use the destination we previously configured. Select the appropriate service instance. Finish the configuration. This will complete the setup and ensure that SOC Insights logs are properly routed to our Teams channel. Here is a sample notification. It will provide details such as whether it's a new alert or an update to an existing alert, and which indicator or assert is responsible for triggering the incident. Additionally, if you need more information, you can click on the hyperlink in the notification, which will redirect you to the CSP portal. There you can get a detailed overview of the specific insight. Thank you. Here is the high-level integration diagram. Blox1 Cloud to data connector. Starting from Blox1 Cloud, security operations events are generated. These events are sent directly to the data connector, which acts as a bridge, collecting and transmitting them to the next stage. At the data connector, events are processed by parsing, filtering, and structuring the information into a standardized format. The processed event data is then sent to the Infoblox API integration module. Here, appropriate actions are executed using Infoblox APIs, automating responses without manual intervention. Finally, the notifications containing detailed event information are generated and sent to relevant channels. This ensures that all team members are promptly informed about critical events, enabling quick responses and collaborative problem solving. The prerequisites for the integrations are shown here. Ensure the necessary license is installed as indicated, and set up the required variables for creating traffic flow for data transportation. To summarize, we discussed the benefits of real-time SOC Insights notifications in Microsoft Teams. We presented the integration diagram, demonstrated the setup, and provided the configuration steps and best practices for effective integration. Thank you for your attention and participation.